Good morning, children. In the previous class, I explained the bridge course. Now I am going for the 5th standard syllabus. Everybody take admission, go to office and pay the fees for the books and also for admission and take the books. So this is your 5th standard maths textbook and this is your 200 pages horizontal, 200 pages book classwork. This is maths classwork. Okay, children. So everybody start with 5th standard syllabus. Okay. First chapter, large numbers. As I explained in the bridge course also, same, but the digits are more here. So digits are more. We are learning more and more digits, 7 digits, 8 digits and 9 digits also. Until 5th, 4th standard, we have studied up to 4 and 5, 6 digits, 4, 5 and 6 digits. But now we are studying 7, 8, 9 digits. Okay. As the digits are increasing, the place value also will be increased. As I explained before in the bridge course also, like that only here, as the digits are increasing, the place value also will be increased. Okay. Now we are going for the first unit 1, large numbers. Large numbers. In this first topic is place value chart. Place value chart. Place value chart. Okay. This is the 200 pages horizontal one. As I told, like that only you have, I think, who have purchased the books, they will be having the 200 pages horizontal book. Start writing, we will send PDF through scanning. So scanning and send the PDF. By seeing the PDF, you can start your classwork. Gel pen only, blue gel pen only. And as I written in the classwork, same method you have to follow. You have to maintain the classwork very neatly, children. Neatly. You have to maintain the classwork very neatly. Okay. In this place value chart, we are having 2 number system. Indian system, this standard we are studying 2 place value chart. That is Indian number system, Indian place value system and international place value system. International place value. You have studied only till 4th standard, you have studied only up to Indian place value chart. But this year, we are going to study international place value chart also. Don't confuse, the same will be little bit difference is there, that's all. But the same method only, but some little bit difference will be there. I will explain. So you have to concentrate more. When you concentrate more, it is easy to understand the concept. Okay, children. Now, first one, Indian place value chart. We are going to do now Indian place value chart. We are doing Indian and international. This standard in 5th standard. Now this year we are learning. You are studying 2 methods of place value system. That is Indian and international. Till this time we have studied Indian system. But now this year we are going to study international place value chart. International place value chart. Now first we are going for the Indian place value chart. First method is Indian place value chart. So Indian place value system. Okay. This unit 1, large numbers, Indian place value system. Okay. Place value chart of 7-digit number. Now we are studying place value chart of 7-digit number. 7-digit number. And NO means number. Okay. Place value chart of 7-digit number. So 76, 96, 842. Ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So you have studied till lakh. Till 4th standard you have studied up to lakh. But now you are studying 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. 8 and 9 digit also. Now I am going to start with 7 digit number. 7 digit number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Got it? Okay. Now I will draw the place value chart. Take scale and properly lines. How I done in the classwork. Same method only you have to follow and maintain the classwork very neatly, children. Maintain the classwork very neatly. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now from here we will start from the last. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. We have place now, we can draw. Little bit place also we can take. See the book properly and draw the lines properly. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. Thousand, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. And we have here 3 groups. Okay. When it is 10 lakhs, we are having 3 groups. Okay. See how to divide. You have to see properly, children. Listen carefully. Then only you can understand the place value chart of 7 digit number. Place value chart of 7 digit number. Here we are having 3 groups. 1,000, 10,000. Yeah. And lakhs group. So here 1, tens, 100 will be the ones group. Ones, tens, 100 will be the ones group. 1,000, 10,000 will be the thousands group. And lakhs, 10 lakhs will be the lakh group. Okay. This 7 digit number is divided into 3 groups. That is ones, thousands and lakh. In this ones column, what all will come? See properly. What all will come in the ones group? Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Madam has used different colors of chalk piece, so we will also write different colors of pencil. No. How I have written in the classwork, the same only you should follow, pencil and pen. And pencil, pen and scale. That's all. Don't want any other color. Only for understanding purpose I am using different colors of chalk piece. Okay, children, got it? So you have to go in your mind properly. I told this is the basic for the higher section, means 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. If you learn properly now, it is easy for you for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, this is the basic thing. Here you are studying now basic. Okay, now the base should be properly. For that purpose, I am teaching you with different colors, with different types of colors of chalk piece. Okay. In the ones column, we are having ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands column, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Now in the lakhs column, lakh, 10 lakh. Got it? Now this will be mentioned in different names, means in the symbols. Instead of writing ones, we can write for ones O, tens 10, hundreds H, thousands TH, 10,000 TTH, lakh L, 10 lakh TL. Got it? That's why I'm using different color of chalk piece. Why I'm using? You have to understand properly. For that purpose, I'm using different colors of chalk piece. 1, tens, hundreds. So ones means O, tens means T, hundreds means H, thousand means TH, 10,000 means TTH, lakh means L, 10 lakh means TL. Got it? Now this number you are writing in this box. Now I am filling this number into the box. 7, 6, 9, 6, 8, 4, 2. Got it? 7696842. Okay, that's all. So we no need to take one more box here. Enough this much. And this number you have to write in words. I explained in the bridge course also how to write in words. 7696842. You have to write in the words. Write in words. So how to write in words? I told you have taken commas here. So here in 10 lakhs place what number is there? 7 is there. In lakhs place what number is there? 6 is there. So now it will become 76 lakh. 76 lakh. Lakh spelling what? L-A-K-H. I told. So many they are making mistake L-A-C. Not L-A-C. It is L-A-K-H. Lakh means L-A-K-H. 76 lakh. 96,000. 96,000 and 842 and 842. 842. So listen properly, children. This is the place value chart of 7-digit number. Place value chart of 7-digit number. Okay. So we will same method you have to follow. We will scan and send the PDF. You see that book properly and see the page properly and write neatly. Don't use different colors of pens or pencils. I want only pencil, scale and gel pen, blue gel pen. So the book should be maintained neatly and handwriting also should be neatly and also no spelling mistakes. Practice properly spellings, no spelling mistakes. Got it? So this is the place value chart of 7-digit number. 7-digit means 10 lakhs. The place value of 7-digit is 10 lakhs. Okay, got it? Got it, children? For understanding purpose only, I've used 3 types of colors. Okay, 3 what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. For understanding purpose only. So these 10 lakhs are having 3 groups, divided into 3 groups. Ones group, thousands group, lakh group. So under ones group, what will be coming? Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones means O-N-C-E, not. This is once upon a time. When we are telling a story, that time we are telling O-N-C-E once. But now O-N-E-S once. Once is different and once is different. Once is used in the mathematics only. This once is used in the English and normal what subjects. Okay. This is mathematics. So we have to use O-N-E-S once only. Okay. Got it? So now for the next place value chart of 8-digit number. Now place value chart of 8-digit number. Okay. I'm rubbing. We'll go for the place value chart of 8-digit number. You have to maintain the classwork very neatly, children, and don't feel difficult. It is easy only when your concentration is more important. Your concentration is more important, and concentrate more. It will be easy only, and you have to practice. Okay. 8-digit number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number is 5 crore 97 lakhs 65,029. Okay, the number is this one. So now we have to divide this into groups. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, now we are having 4 groups. Now we are having 4 groups. Okay, 1s, 10s, 100s will be one group. 1,000, 10,000 will be second group. Lakh, 10 lakh will be third group, and crore will be another group. 4 groups. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Okay, this is ones. This is thousands. This is lakh, and this is crore. If you practice 1 or 2 times, it will come to your mind only, and you will do. Oh, very easy, ma'am. This is very easy. We tell, and we will only do. So practice more and concentrate more. Okay, children. Now, 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000. 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Crore. Crore spelling C-R-O-R-E, crore, not C-O-R-E, core. C-R-O-R-E, crore. L-A-K-H, lakh. Spellings are very, very important. Even one spelling mistake also, your written correct answer also, mistake means half mark will be cut. So for that reason, you have to write the spelling properly. Ones means O, tens means T, hundreds means H, 1,000 means TH, 10,000 means TH, lakh means L, 10 lakh means PL, crore means C. Got it? Like this. Now we have to fill the number. So 5, 9, 7, 6, 5, 0, 2, 9. So this box is also not necessary. So I'm rubbing. So only 5 is enough, I think. Okay. But in the book, we can write 6 columns, because here we can write like this. I have written. If you have, so one more box we have to make. Okay. Now for this, we have to write the number name. How to write? I don't know. So in the crores place, what is there? 5. So 5 crore. 5 crore. How many next? 97 lakhs. 97 lakhs. 7 lakhs. Afterwards, 65,000. 65,000. In the hundreds column, no number is there, 0 is there. So directly we can go for and 29. And 29. So spellings are very, very important, children. So practice number names also. When you have free and feeling bored, that time don't go for watching TV or anything. That time you practice this. It will be easy for you to write the number names and spellings. properly and correctly. Even one spelling mistake also, the marks will be cut. For that purpose, learn properly. For that purpose only I am telling, learn properly. Got it? So now we finish place value chart of 8-digit number. 7-digit means up to 10 lakhs. So one more group is increased here. I told you when the digits are increased, the place value also will be increased. Here ones, thousands, lakh and crores column, 4 groups. So crores in 10 crores also crore only, crores group only. That is, these 4 groups are divided into, the 8-digit number is divided into 4 groups. In the ones column, what all will come? Under ones column, ones, tens, hundred. In the thousands column, thousands, 10,000. In the lakh column, lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, crore. And if it is 10 crore also, it will be 10 crore only. Crores column only. Okay? Got it? This is the place value chart of 8-digit number. Now next we'll go for the place value chart of, this is all Indian place value system only. This is all under Indian place value system only. Next we will, when we go for the exercise, that time I will go for the, first we will go for the exercises, then afterwards we will go for the international place value chart. Okay. Got it, children? Indian place value system. Indian place value system. So we are not taken books. Take books, pay the fees as early as possible and take the book. Then it is easy for you to understand. If you are not understand also, you can read the textbook. How many times you want, that many times you can read. Then it is easy for you to understand also. Okay, children? What teacher is telling, you can, if you see the textbook only, you go to the mind easily. Okay? Clear? Now, next, 9-digit number. 9-digit number. So we'll send a scanning PDF through PDF. See that and write neatly. Maintain the classwork very neatly, children. Maintain the classwork neatly. Okay. 9-digit number. What is 7 crores, 28 lakhs, 34,006. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now this is divided into 4 groups. I told you in the 8-digit number also we studied like that only. 9 digits also, 9-digit number also is divided into 4 groups. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, one group, 1,000, 10,000, one group, lakhs, one group, crores, one group. Okay. So this is ones group. This is thousands. This is lakh. This is crore. So first, first ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So C, T, C, 10 crore means T, C. 10 lakh, T, L, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Okay. Now we'll fill the number. So this is not necessary. Okay. Only number we are filling. That's the last we are filling the number, and I should write in words. So what is the number? 4, 7, 2, 8, 3, 4, 0, 0, 6. This is the 9-digit number. Got it, children? How many groups? 4 groups. Ones, thousands, lakh, crore. In the ones group, ones, tens, hundred. In the thousand group, 1,000, 10,000. In the lakh group, lakh, 10 lakh. In the crore group, crore, 10 crore. 9-digit number is 10 crores. 9-digit number is 10 crores. So now 47 lakhs, 47 crores, 28 lakhs, 34,006 means 6. So now we'll write in words. 47 crore, 28 lakhs, 34,000, 34,000 and 6 and 6. Got it? 47 crore, 28 lakh, 34,000 and 6. Got it, children? This is the place value chart of 9-digit number. We have studied now 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit. As I explained in the bridge course, one table, when the digits are increasing, the place value also will be increased. This already in the bridge course I explained. The same you have to, I'll write in the classwork, that only you have to copy in the classwork. Greatest and smallest. Smallest 1-digit number, greatest 1-digit number. Smallest 2-digit number, greatest 2-digit number. Same, the table explained in the bridge course, that only in the first class I explained, that only you have to write, copy in the classwork. Okay. Next class onwards we'll go for the exercise. Okay, children. Thank you very much.